Milo TV. Bada bim, bada bam, bada bam. Yeah. Bada zoom, zoom, zoom. Milo TV, bada boom, bada bam, bada zoom.
Yeah. Milo TV, bada boom. Wait, hold on, go again. Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, click that notification bell, and guys, Milo TV is where it's at, so don't forget.
Milo TV, body bim, body bim, body bam.
Yeah.
Milo TV, barabim, barabum, barabim.
Yeah.
Bada boom, bada boom.
Milo TV.
Milo TV, bada boom.
Milo TV GH Toronto, Canada. Body bin, body wun, body bem. Ear.
Alright, I was for hey Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Ebe mo watching na yama wa hani yama waju depending upon time over here this video. But then see the aya nyumbre e Toronto, Canada. Medi the Prince Kojiti we me YouTuber Toronto, Canada ena mewo ene enima pi ena koso e wo Canada ade bia me kam say enima e be koso okudu mbia no ye bono do boa ye bobo ne sebede na ye sanim amobibie enya bi ahwe. So far the enfinshia nine aye T channel maka se dani na kwa na ekonenim e progress. Yes, of course, international students omo de visitor visa ba omo de super visa ba obibi obabia na subscribe se Milo TV de enam so NSC na tie oboa system no sanse Ghana for mo ba ye na obi wo ha opejuma na waboa obi wo pe regulated Canadian immigration lawyer now they no job posting, sani mani na yeboa ewo mefie ha no sa enetie na obi anim se yetu bata ekope bibi ebehwe yenchi na yetu kwan mpanisi yakobata tuo ne yankobata die nti na dani de nyina wo ye adwuma na kakra ba wonsem a wo de kakra kufie na waye bibi kolikoli obi nim da achiasem. Now abranti ni munyamfo bi friend Alfred Joseph Nyako Ochewe a wodi mfinhia aduonum yensa 23 years oba Canada anche bia ena eja ni sister Libo no de ne ko adwuma like the guy was good oya wiomfo the way anaju eye no like oya no so oya wiomfo ba ampa na adwuma wonya ye no ena okohia broni bi a woman right ye frɛ broni no Troy na I think so oya adwuma be 2-3 days pena Troy Kroya woman right here stable no or the second wo no 17 times. Imagine say obi kute second wo de wo obi se nyetu na okutu abetimi de shooting na omoni ba omo so na chese Alfred Joseph Nyako Ochewe chese momoami obi mro na chese ebra mukoso no mu empraka ya mo free police ba mbechi abra owura na omo de ne koto na Ghana for mo Saskatoon honom ni sister nam ne so a obaye oni ne kunu omunyina susu mu eboaye ema ja kakra said the amamre ne amane etie no after a couple of days no ni sister eba abontin ema ne din komo e wo mekasa fidie so and of course omo what we call GoFundMe ne chese obi efri mu anase obi eho atechema ne bia ye pe emwo bi na ye de aboa wo ya no sa enetie nti abrante a me kana semi eye Alfred Joseph Nyako Ochewe ne picture ene eda ho no yes the picture na da ho no aha sa enetie na omo ye GoFundMe no sika kakra bai sika ndi me aha ye kwa ho mintimi and disclose amount bia e wa ha but then ekoba say omo de ne be call ombesi wa ha ombesi na ye breaking news na Milo TV say officially omo de abrante na eko Ghana yes and the video na de ebre wo officially or the abrante na amu no eko Ghana na me yaduma 22nd of this month March ye na omo eja abrante na kwan ewo Kumase Afrancho na chese de ewo ho enso efa abrante efe no eye Ochewe Joseph Nyako eho eno no ye ka brantie ochire a chese ni sister ene dom ya akofa ne ba esenka o meto na brabo so ena BBC esiye na ebaye no the Ghanaian community a owo Canada nyina obia egwojajo yi pa sanse ahadwen se nipa obeko school na bibia ti sei ayeden asi ewo na soye now obehwe a enche bia like school for be bebeye we beka se na so we beka ho international students be se minu mi ensa bi na free mo behwe amavin babuodu enso sa ono gunshot ombu ena eja ekobo ni tu ya ewo jin so baby ena Marvin di so sorry meka Joseph Nyakodi so be den ebeka ho ena one other guy on so eko school PE a Prince Edward Island on so nanka obe graduate kura ena obehwe a on so kunya kan kwanhia like a whole lot has gone on but empire yebo nyina nse jame omwaye na on silly sa awuwo ene shooting ene afei sika yede stab nipa ene diaka nyina anti se diaka ne se owura friend Troy na aja asem no omoje ama police ana police kuta asem no mu asesi omo ena omo ewotumi a wo se abranti omo chini se omo de ne beko jail kwan omo de ne befa so bia ne nyina no yeti bibia yemfa enkame yahwefo ene yetifo yebeba na yede abetudwa omo bibia enso ene bi ahwe ewo mekasa afidi enso na se breaking news kakra ewo ayede ebremu ene ewo Milo TV enso edonne Canada Prime Minister Reverend Justin Pierre Trudeau was say goodbye cra Justin Trudeau was say goodbye he's out yes we in juma since we appoint new yes what they saying Prime Minister friend Makani oba ne officially and almost sworn in our betna abanwa no so as you see one on the because oye Canada Prime Minister Makani but then the only November Canada ebetoaba yes Canada beko akwa toaba nyame ya adoma the month of November this year a couple of months na March April May June July August September October November akabe 8 months na so omoko akwa toaba eno na obehe opposition no Pierre Poilievre opushi oputu pressure yi pa eno wura Makani so eni waba abetina banwa no so no so ehwe na afi watoto enema na waboa ama Canada ya de beka ne se Canada nkanko Canada yidi Canada mpuntu ene ye nyina ye hwehwe se beye na je ye nuanam Ghana fo ene omu nyina aba abedu Canada no obia benya na krata no so be hye adwuma se na wotumi aye koye kolikoli bi no obo na busua ofia na eno ama emfaso aba na kontua otu ye so Milo TV Toronto Canada subscribe se na first time we are no like na afi wa comment na wa share afi so obeka ya be se memfa ne se afi ene fa na sa afi ni Canada changes a ekoso ewo immigration minister so you know the I don't know the but make say hey changes in kwa changes in kwa is it Ben Foster na wo ho Foster na wo ho ena omuyi no na se omuyi ni firi ho na mkofa Macmillan ebaye Macmillan so betena so a ni na ya under Libra ya o onim se Canada party ne Libra conservative na NDP conservative for no omo ana se omo opposition omo put pressure papa on Libra for no na yeda sorry ya ene latest information and latest news aba say Canada officially we friend Makani our prime minister obetena banwa no so wasan aye reserve wasesem kakra ene wakofa ababa wason no bi aye friend Raquel meba the prime sisia yeah ya baba wason no ebeka say I mean of Jewish background and nay obabe what we call Canada Prime Minister, Obabe Canada, what we call Immigration Minister. And Adia amount for a Busan say, I didn't know I come here say, the be I buy say 4 months, 5 months, 6 months be na changes by immigration minister ministerialship na aswe. Okay. Nti ababaawa no yɛfrɛ no Rachel Bendayan. Rachel Bendayan wɔno ɛna ɛnɛ yi ya ne background no ɛyɛ Moroccan saa na dodoɔ no ɛyɛka yɛkyɛkekyɛkeɛ no ɛnɛ yi no ɛyɛ ofiri ne nkyi ɔmaame no papa mo ɛyɛ fi Morocco no ɔmo ba bɛtesue ɛwɔ Montreal ɛna ɔmo wo ababaawa yi a ɛnɛ ɔkɔkɔ university bobɔ ne degree yɛ ne biribi a nyame adom waba bɛtena abannwa no waba bɛyɛ immigration minister ɔsɔfoɔ hwɛ akwantusɛm ne saa nneɛma no nti yɛmpa a yɛboa no sɛ ɔba yi ɔyɛ ɔbaatan ne yam bɛyɛ ɔbɛboa ama PR sɛm ne ade nyinaa nti yɛbɛhyɛ da ayɛ video na yɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ mekasa fidie so Milo TV Toronto Canada. But then yɛnua kuma ɔfa yɛ anaasɛ Joe Alfred Joseph Nyako Achere 23 years 53-year-old Troy Jessica War no bɛyɛ 17 times no officially ɔmo de ne kɔ Ghana ɔmo ɛkɔ akɔyɛ abrante no yi 22nd March yɛ mbakyɛw de ama me yɛ video ni sɛ Ghana fo no bi ɛwɔ fie. Of course yɛwɔ Ghanaian Canadian fane sɛ ama menka ne sɛ Ghana fo a ɔmo abɛtena ha kyɛ ɔmo wɔ passport ai ne ɔmo kɔtena fie ɔmo wɔ kuo bi a ɔmo tumi kɔ na ɔmo akɔyi na se na ɔmo akɔyɛ adɔyɛ afi 22nd March oyɛ Ghana ni na afi wɔ fie a obetumi akɔ afrancho yɛ akyire yɛbɛyɛ video na yɛde detail as to where the funeral will go on edini nyina abeba ama obi bia nso anya bi aiden ahwe na kyese latest news a yɛde ebrew ene eno no nti yɛbɛsan aba na what we call another breaking news bia no yɛde bɛbrɛw ɛwɔ mekasa afidie so ene yesamufo Bruce, Mr. Bruce, Life Goes On Entertainment, Life Goes On GHTV, yes or no on a coffee meet and greet by see I remember on a coffee by and Tiabusia you didn't see good evening Milo TV background.
Wherever Alfred is right now looking down upon us, he will be glad that we all came together to stand for him at the place where he breathed his last. And that very day when it happened, some of his co-workers said his last words were help, help. He shouted, he screamed. And tonight, these are our words as well to the justice system. We say help. Help us. Help us to understand what is happening. Help us to give meaning to this. Help us. Give us justice and accountability. African and black community turn up in mass to honor the life of my brother-in-law, Alfred Ucheri, show solidarity to the family, and to unite togetherness for justice. So that what happened here in this place at DSI on the ground will not be repeated. The family is holding up. We're holding up in times like these. It's very hard because we're grieving. My wife couldn't come here because it would be a very terrible reminder of what happened that day. It's very hard on us as a family. He's not going to bring her brother back. He's not going to bring my brother-in-law back. But at least we know that someone is listening to us, that other people within the community are standing with us.
We are all still in shock. We still don't believe it unless probably I see the body, that I can believe that Alfred is gone, because he was a very quiet guy, and then this happening to him is a surprise to all of us, especially in the Ghanaian community.
Sometimes you hear about this happening in elsewhere, and you never feel it until it hits you. Right? We were kind of surprised that it's happening in Saskatoon.
We're thinking that if this could happen to a calm person like Alfred, I've been a union president for an organization here before. So then what about us? There is a responsibility of employers to provide a safe working environment for all employees in an organization. So for this to happen, there is a breach here, something that we have to talk about.
In certain jurisdictions, the police are seen as anti-black, right? But for them to be here, that speaks volumes. So I think that is something that we want to encourage. We want to see the police working with it, not so much antagonistic to our core values as black people.
What happened, it could have happened to anyone, because he was a harmless guy, harmless student, very jovial, friendly, loving, kind. He had a shy smile about him, you know. He was very hardworking. He wanted to make an impact contribute to the society that will give him the opportunity to live in. And he thought that he could begin here in Saskatoon to get an education. He was very close to my kids, my children. Whenever I was away working at night, he would be there to read them bedtime stories. They play video games together. He will be missed. He will be missed. He is missed.
TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.